Hey, Scentsy fanatics, look at what is flown into the house. I have the Dumbo warmer. This is actually a customer's. Mine is still coming, so I've got to be very careful with this one. So here we have the Dumbo warmer. It is still available to purchase, along with Timothy. We've got Timothy too. Dumbo the buddy hasn't launched yet, but soon he'll be launching. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so there is a little flag that goes at the top here. I didn't want to put it in. I wanted the customer to put it in. The life of a dog mom. So this is the big top that goes on it. Of course, we have vents to get the wax sent out. But look at this. This is a different warmer. So this is not an element warmer, okay? But it uses the second piece to sit in here. Okay, so it's all one piece. This is where our cotton cleanups come in handy, especially when you have to empty them. So we have Dumbo, and then I'm going to turn him around. It is a glaze, so you're only going to get glow through the holes. That's why I haven't put the light bulb on him. But then look at this. Timothy. Is he not adorable? But wait. It gets better. You can get Timothy in the Dumbo scent. And you can get the Dumbo scent, and if you like the Dumbo scent like I do, and a lot of people do, you can put it in club and skid it forever. It's a very fruity, if you asked me, scent. But look at him. My grandson is going to be so jealous that I did this without him, that I'm guessing that Alive with Sawyer is going to be on this, just so you know. Be prepared. But, so here you have the Dumbo warmer. Oop, I better put the top on. Don't break it, though. And Timothy, Dumbo the buddy is coming soon. They are available. The link is in the comments. He's 20 and Dumbo is 85. So, have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and talk soon.